All right, how you guys doing today? I want to go ahead and quickly show you guys how to do this assignment called ASSISTment. All right, so I logged in as a student, and this is going to be your, as you go to your course, here's your dashboard. And as you go to your course, you can click on whatever my class. You can view it from the announcement, or you can go to the module here at the Learn. But what I'd like you guys to do is just go ahead and you can click the module, and then you want to complete this learning assessment practice set. This is how we're going to be turning in all of our assignments, so it's really key for you to understand this. Right? So you just click on the learning assessment. All right, it's taking a little bit of time to load, and then you want to go ahead and authorize. And then you should see these questions. This is how it's going to look for each assignment. So I really need you guys to get a hold of that. All right. So click on Ready Now, and you'll just go ahead and start submitting the problems. Next problem, make sure you read it. 2 plus 3, answer the question correctly. 5, submit the answer, and it'll give you, if you're doing it right, it'll give you a check mark, and so forth. And it'll give you, you can show the answers as well. And I get all of this reported back to me. Please enter the incorrect answer first and then the correct answer. Right? So step 1, answer 2/8. So here it is, 2/8. Submit it. Okay, it looks like I did it wrong. There's some notes there. And then it says, as a hint, answer 2/4. So I'll do it one more time. 2/4. Submit the answer. Looks like I got the green, but I did get it incorrect the first time, so it's all good. All right, so I want you guys to go through these questions. There's 9 of them here. You need to complete them all for the full credit for today. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call. I look forward to seeing your work and talking about this on Thursday in our Zoom session. All right, talk to you later. Bye.